Hello everyone. I hope you guys are doing well, and I'm meeting you after a long time. And today I'll be doing something different. And like we all must venture something new because change is the only constant in our lives. Well, today I'm going to discuss Panchayat, the amazingly beautiful and fantastic web series, which I'm sure most of you have already watched it or are well aware of it. So if you have not watched it, please go and watch it. Now, um, the main character, Jitendra Kumar, who plays the protagonist, I had never seen him on screen before. I had heard and read good things about him, and I now know why they wrote good things about him because he did a fantastic job, and full marks to the other characters too, who might have been under the radar, but trust me, they were equally as good as the main character in this movie. So, full kudos to each one of them. Fantastic performance, 5 out of 5 rating for me. Now, whenever we see a web series or a movie, the most important thing is what inferences we derive from them and what are our takeaways. So for me there were 5 solid takeaways, and मैं एक एक करके takeaways डिस्कस करूँगा और मैं इसमें ये बताने की कोशिश करूँगा कि इसका हमारे प्रेजेंट टाइम्स में उसकी रेलिवेंस क्या है. So I'll start with the first one, that like we all know, people who are engineering graduates, either they join an IT company through their campus placements or off campus placements, or they opt for higher studies through MBA, or they pursue an MS or MTech. Now, in this web series, what they've shown is this guy, he does not get a job, neither he got a chance in a good university to pursue higher studies. So, define the common convention, he decides to join a village panchayat. Now, that was exceedingly beautifully unique and different. And the reason why I'm saying this is, इसके पहले कभी भी वो इंडियन वेब सीरीज या सिनेमा में दिखाई नहीं गया है. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, आप लोग में से जो भी इसके बाद, आई जस्ट होप कि आप लोग के साथ ऐसा ना हो, बट इफ एनी वन ऑफ यू गेट्स टू वर्क इन ए विलेज पंचायत, trust me, that experience will hold you in good stead, especially if you want to pursue a career in management, because your experiences working in real India, in villages of India, will come really handy for you later on. The second takeaway is superstitions. Now, this whole web series is based in a village, so they are trying to address the problems and concerns which villagers do face. And trust me, सुनने में बहुत अजीब लगता है because we are all based in big cities, but आजकल गांव में people they still believe in hell lots of superstitions. So in this web series, what they have shown is there is a tree which is haunted and it keeps on walking. So villagers are scared to go past it after a certain time. And trust me, if you, like, I've been to plenty of villages in North India. Trust me, you go to those villages, people still believe in such superstitions. So 2020 में भी लोग ऐसे ही अंधविश्वासों में यकीन करते हैं, and we might question why do they believe in such superstitions. Education, lack of education is probably one reason, and probably that is the only reason, because they are not empowered fully. So it is high time that we need to empower these people. We need to tell them, please don't believe in this andhavishwas anymore. We are in 2020. Third takeaway is inflated egos. Now in this web series, what they've shown is there is a village marriage, and the groom and his friends, they are running sort of places, so उनके लिए village पंचायत में जगह arrange की जाती है for their refreshments. Now a minor debate and shuffle turns heated, and in a rage of fist, this guy takes away the village panchayat's chair and goes away, the groom. Now, ये हम अक्सर हमारे रियल लाइफ में देखें, and this is not only limited to villages, we have seen this in cities too. लोग छोटे छोटे बातों में गुस्सा हो जाते हैं. यार इतना गुस्सा किस लिए, थोड़ा एनर्जी बचा लो, थोड़ा पॉजिटिविटी दिखा लो. ईगो रखना अच्छा बात है, लेकिन उसको सही जगह में इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए. आप अगर ऐसे छोटे छोटे बातों में ईगो दिखाते रहोगे, तब आप खुद को ज़्यादा नुकसान पहुंचाओगे. तो अगर कोई ईगो है, ऐसे छोटी छोटी चीज़ों में आप लोगों का भी ईगो है, आई होप आप लोगों का नहीं है, बट अगर है तो उसको प्लीज़ फेंक दीजिए. ओके, नाउ द फोर्थ टेक अवे is population control. Now, finally, in 2020, we have seen the Indian Parliament discussing about population control actively, and we all know population, just like any other thing, can be a boon. It also can be a bane, and we all know that in our current situations and circumstances, it has become a bane, and they have addressed this issue probably not so beautiful in this movie because the social message which was attached there's a slogan. आप लोग अगर देखे होगे तो आप लोगों को पता होगा, अगर नहीं देखे होगे तो आप लोग देखना. वो स्लोगन शायद थोड़ा सा हार्श था, बट देन द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज टू एड्रेस द इशू. एंड नॉर्मली ये सब इश्यूज कोई दिखाते नहीं है बिकॉज समहाउ लोगों को सोचते हैं कि यार ये इशू दिखा के क्या करेंगे, लेट्स फोकस ऑन ऑल दोस ट्राइवियल इश्यूज जो आज तक दिखाया जा रहा है. बट देन फुल मार्क्स टू द डायरेक्टर, टू द प्रोड्यूसर who had the balls to go ahead and show such issues which all India face today, be it villages, be it cities, be it towns. So again, full marks. Fifth takeaway is women empowerment. Then again, ये सुनने में अजीब लगता है कि यार 2020 में हम women empowerment की बात कर रहे हैं. And in this web series, the so-called village panchayat sarpanch's wife is actually the elected leader, but since she is a female, she has been told to work in home, take care of the kitchen, and the guy goes and does her job. So in this web series, the main protagonist, he helps the lady to learn Jana Gana Mana, and she becomes so confident that she hoists the national flag. Now again, इन चीज़ों को बहुत छोटी लगती है, but trust me, if you go to villages, these are big issues. हमको यहाँ पे हम ऑफिस में काम करते हैं, हम देखते हैं हमारे यहाँ इतने फीमेल कलीग्स हैं, बट ट्रस्ट मी, इफ़ यू गो टू विलेजेस, ये उनके लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है. वहाँ पे आज़ादी के 75 ईयर्स होने वाले हैं. अभी तक कितने सारे ऐसे औरतें हैं जिनको नेशनल एंथम, नेशनल सॉन्ग के बीच में डिफरेंस ही नहीं पता है. दे ओनली नो 3 words, जन गण मन, दैट्स इट. सो अगेन full marks to the entire crew, the producer who was the brainchild, and whoever was the brainchild for this whole concept. Full marks to them for addressing such sensitive issues. And again, if you have not watched it, please go and watch it because you won't regret it. There are 8 episodes of 30 minutes each, so basically you have to spend 4 hours, and trust me, you won't regret it. The 4 hours will be beautifully spent, and I give it 5 out of 5. And please do watch it, it's full of positivity. Now, if you like my video, please like it. If not, please do unlike it, because I do believe sometimes such backlashes gives you more motivation to do something good. And please do provide your comments. आप ज़रूर अपना comments लिखिए, feedback दीजिए, क्योंकि तभी मैं कुछ सीख पाऊँगा, अगर मैं अपनी गलतियों से सीख पाऊँगा. एंड कोविड अभी भी जारी है, प्लीज़ अपना ध्यान रखिए, अपने नियर एंड डियर्स का ध्यान रखिए, एंड प्लीज़ टेक केयर. Bye bye.